She can't pick me up. She can't pick me up. 3, 2, 1. Hey!
This woman claimed she could lift this streamer in front of everyone, but he didn't believe her for a second and kept saying it was impossible. She tried once and failed, which made him even more confident that she couldn't do it. He let her try one more time, but you won't believe what happened next.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
You sure? No, she can't. She can't pick me up. She can't pick me up. She can't pick me up. She can't.
Okay, you can jump.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Hey, see? She can't pick me up. You can't pick me up. Okay, one more try. 1, 2, 3. Hey!